Okay, let's start part 2. Here we go. Check your understanding. Solve, draw to show your work. So you have room over here. You need to draw to show your work. There is 1 deer, 3 rabbits, and 7 birds at the pond. How many animals are at the pond? What am I going to circle? What is important? 3 rabbits, 7 birds. What else? 1 deer. Perfect. Okay, so over here, I have room to draw. So I've got some first graders drawing in a circle, in a squiggle line. It's really hard to count if we're not going in a straight line. So draw those lines to put your circles on if you need to. Parents, please don't draw it for them. Let them do it. They need to be showing the work. If you're drawing it, putting numbers in it, that's not their work. Okay, so 1 deer. How many circles should I put on that top line? 1. How many should I put on the next line? 3. 1, 2, and 3. I have not put numbers in yet, okay, because we're going to count on. The bottom line gets how many? 7. I don't have room for 7, so I'm going to put 1 down below, but I have all 7. What do I need in the middle? Number them. That's right. I heard someone way over there. So we're going to number them. If this is 1, what is this next number? Is that 1 again? Nope. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cover that up. I want to see if y'all got the same number that I got. How many did you get, Hayden? How many did you get, Elizabeth? Christopher? You still counting them? Okay. They don't have a place for an equation, but we need to put one. So we're going to come over here. Something plus something plus something equals our sum. Matthew, can you tell me what numbers I'm adding together, please?
1, 3, 7.
Tell me in an equation. 1 plus
3 plus 7.
equals what? What number did you get? Are you still counting them? Okay, hurry and count them. Did you finish it, Christopher? What'd you get? 11. We all got 11. Good job. Okay, so there's 11 animals. Make sure you have your work, you have your equation, and you have your answer. That's all the work that you have to put on your paper. Okay? Classy class? The next part is all on you. Let's turn that over. This is going to be your work. So we have a lot to do this afternoon. Make sure you show your work. Make sure you're numbering your circles. Make sure you're giving us an equation, okay? So, because this isn't worth just 1 wrong. If you don't do the circles, that's wrong. If you don't do the numbers, that's wrong. If you don't have the right answer, that's wrong. And if you don't have the equation, that's wrong. So each one is worth 4 points. Okay, so here we go. Bashir sees 2 striped kites, 1 red kite, and 3 blue kites in the sky. How many kites does he see? What am I circling? 2 striped kites. I heard 3 blue kites, and what else?
3.
Oh, I got 3. Which one am I missing?
1.
1 red kite. So these are what we're answering. You have room to draw them out. If you put them to the side, over here, you should have your equation. We need to know what you're adding together. Number 3. Cole has 5 green marbles, 4 red marbles, and 5 purple marbles. How many marbles does he have? What am I circling? We're not working yet. Just do the circles. Just do the words. Tell me again, girl. 4 red marbles. What else? What am I missing? 5 green marbles. And 5 purple, right? All right. We have room to draw over here. Make that box. Get your drawing. Draw those lines to make them nice and straight. Then over here, we have room for our equation. Put that equation to find the sum. Paul, Vicky, and Beth each scored 3 goals at soccer practice. How many goals did they score? Complete the equation below. Oh, I don't understand that. There's only one number. If I only have one number, what am I adding together? Paul, Vicky, and Beth each scored 3 goals. Okay, hands, and eyes. Eyes on the target, over here. If I have Paul, Vicky, and Ed, and they each scored 3 goals, how many goals did Paul score? 3. How many goals did Vicky score? How many goals did Beth score? So what numbers am I adding together? 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I'm going to give y'all that hint because they each scored 3 goals. So even though we've only circled one number, they each scored 3. So you should be adding together 3 plus 3 plus 3. They've given you that carrot. They want you to add one group together, then bring the other guy down, okay? Don't be doing any work yet, first graders. We're going to keep going on so we can stop our video. Turn it to the back, please. Turn it to the back. Okay. Sam stacks 8 large boxes, 2 medium boxes, and 1 small box. How many boxes does he have? What am I circling? 2 medium. Oops. 8 large. 1 small. You have room down here for your equation. You can draw up here. Okay, you have room to draw. Show your work. Show your thinking. Okay. I'm going to go on. Tanya has 4 stamps from countries in Asia, 5 stamps from countries in Africa, and 1 stamp from a country in Europe. How many stamps does she have? Tell me what I'm circling. 4 stamps, 1 stamp, and 5. Okay, again, give me the equation, what we're adding together. And draw your circles over here. Find the unknown add-in. Okay, so what they've done is they have said, okay, 1 plus 3 plus something equals 5. We're missing a number. Class. Pencils down. We're missing a number. We need to know 1 plus 3 equals something. Here's a hint. I would add these 2 together, and I would count on and stop at 5. Okay? Down here at the bottom, write and solve a word problem that adds 3 numbers. You're going to make a word problem. You're going to do it. You're going to make something like Mrs. Bryan has 3 pens, Xavier has 2 pens, and Elizabeth has 4 pens. How many pens do they have all together? Okay? We'll come back and do that. So you guys are writing down here and solving the answer for me. Okay? Have a great weekend. We'll see some of you on Monday. Work. Thank you.